doing, Nick? What are we doing? What are we doing?
Got us.
All right. And I'll get the punch out. $32.1. 38. You all set? Oh my God, it's another inch longer. 31.5 to center. We're good. Should I worry about snow? Timeout. I don't. Oh yeah. Just stay on the outside first. Couldn't do it with one hand. Up a lot. There's some mistakes. Yeah. You 5 inches short. Go 21.5. You wouldn't trust this roof? Oh God. 21.7. 51.5's tight, minus the 5. Just do 51. Where do I gotta go? Right there? Yep. Cut her at 90. And your horses. I need to be right there. That's good. Level. That's how it goes. Shit. Can you be my eyes over there and tell me if I'm good? My way, Tad?
Yeah, we can.
Run it up. Yeah.
the hell? Wait a minute. Is it perfect?
Probably not.
What? Fuck! A little bit off the top, crimp it.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Never mind.
16-foot solo. It's gravelly. They're just gonna get edited out probably. Definitely. What do we got? Like, oh God, right there. Let's see if I can hang this by myself. Oh, what the fuck? Dude, I just got wet.
You felt the sprinkle too?
I'm feeling like a lot.
No.
Wanna go set up on the end of this next one? If I don't get them on.